We are glad to present to you Ancient Mill, a cozy farmhouse for sale in Cortona. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 155 square meters, and 5 hectares of private land. The price is €450,000. If you're looking for a farmhouse for sale in Cortona, nestled in the rolling Tuscan hills and full of historic charm, this unique property could be your ideal retreat. Located in the peaceful hamlet of Montanare, just a few minutes from the historic center of Cortona, this beautifully restored former mill offers approximate 155 square meters of refined living space, surrounded by nature and with the option to build a swimming pool. The property combines authentic Tuscan materials, such as stone walls, terracotta floors, and exposed wooden beams, with all the comforts of modern living. If you have any questions or you would like to schedule a viewing the Farmhouse Ancient Mill in Cortona, you can always contact our office. Contact details are provided in this post and on our website. Thank you for watching.